everyone, welcome to the part 2 of dashboard creation. In the previous video, we had completed till creating cards and slices. Let us add some few more visuals to it and make our dashboard ready. Here I'm taking a pie chart. So, okay, make sure you deselect the visual that you have selected. So come back, click on pie chart. The requirement of drawing a pie chart is one categorical column versus a numerical column. Here I'm just analyzing what might be the sales pertaining to different categories. Okay. I'm selecting category versus the sales. So you can see this is what the analysis that we have got. Furniture is making us some 33% of total sales. Office supplies is 31.3, that is 6.4 is technology. Let's just do some few formatting to it. Let's just turn off this legend. Let's just go to general, make some changes with the title. I'm just increasing its font size, making it go bold and having a center alignment to it. Like this. Let's just create a donut chart. So there is no visualization difference. There's no understanding difference between pie and donut. The only difference is with the way it gives the visualization to us. It gives a donut shape. Since we analyzed the sales versus category, we'll just analyze which category is giving us how much profit. Okay, so you can see technology is giving us the larger profit. So I'm turning off this legend, same formatting, going to this title, just increasing its font size, making it go bold, having a center align to it. I just want to do some analysis with respect to the timestamp. You can see order date. I just want to analyze with respect to different time labs, that is in different years, how my data was going up and down. For that, we have to use line chart because line chart is one graph which is there to make analysis with respect to the timeline. So here I'm taking order date versus, in which year, how much sales it made. But I want the same perspective with different region. That is, we are analyzing the sales with respect to here, but I want to add a third variable perspective like region. That is in which region and in which year, how much sales, so some kind of analysis like this I need to do. You have one column called region. Just drag and drop that to legend. You can see you got four different lines pertaining to four different regions, giving us a perspective of, with respect to different years, how much sales it made. Same thing, I'm turning off the legend. Okay. Going to general, going to title, increasing its font size, making it center line and bold. Okay. Then I want to add one map to it. That is one geospatial or geographical analysis. I need to make it out. You can see state here, right? And you have with respect to different states, how much is the sales, profit it had, something like this. I want to bring it out. You have map, click on map. Okay, I'm clicking on state. With respect to state, different states got highlighted. With respect to that, I want sales. That is which state made how much sales. You can see the bubble got changed. That is, you can see California has the bubble size relatively higher. That means California is doing highest sales for you. If you want that to go different color, you can drag and drop state to legend. But I don't want it. I wanted to keep it blue. I'm just leaving it the way it is. We'll just add two filters to it. You can see for stack column chart. I just want to do some analysis with respect to subcategory. You can see, I just want to see which subcategory, which are those five subcategories which gave us the highest profit. That is what the analysis I want to do it. Just click on subcategory. Just click on profit. Okay, just click on profit. Now I want to do some filtration to it. I don't want all the subcategories, but only top five. Go to filters, expand that. You can see, no, you're doing filters on this visual. What on what? On subcategory, right? You are filtering depending on subcategory. That is drag and drop subcategory. My bad. You just have to select the visual. Yes. So now you need to drag and drop subcategory to add data fields. The moment you do, it gives you the filter type. Basic filtering, just go to top N. Why? Because we want to do top N or bottom N kind of analysis. Show items, you have top. You have one more option, bottom also. I will keep it to top. Why? Because I want top five products. Keep on five. By what value? I know you're trying to filter it by subcategory, but what value? Profit, right? Drag and drop profit to here. Click on apply filter. You see, it got applied. That is copiers, phones, accessories, paper, binders are the top five subcategories. So we'll just do another filter, something like this. Add one more same kind of filtration visual to it. I'm just going for again a start column chart wherein there we saw which are the top five subcategories giving us the highest profit. Let's just see which are those subcategories which is giving us the highest sales. Okay, so I'm just expanding this visual filters tab. Drag and drop your subcategory to add data fields. Instead of basic, go and select top N. And I want top five subcategory items, but what value? By sales. Just drag and drop your sales here. Click on apply filter. So you can see the filters got applied. We'll just do little formatting to it. Nothing else. I'm just going with the title, making it go bold, center align. That's it. So all the visual, I'm just doing the same thing. Yes. This is where our dashboard got ready. So if you can, the moment where we do or where we go for making our dashboard interactive is this. I just want to see the details for the state California. I'm just selecting it. You can see all the visual got changed for us, right? Total orders that we got from California was 2000 orders. And you can see in California, the accessories is the thing that is giving us some 10K profit. And yeah, between the time step, everything got changed. Let's say I want to see with respect to California and let's say another state, combining to it, combining to the two states, the data is getting changed. If I want to see both the state analysis figures between the year 2019 to 2021, Yes, everything is getting changed. This is how you can present it to any outer person who's very non-technical and want to dig and know the analysis about their data. So with this, we are coming to the end of the dashboard creation. I hope this video, which split it into part one and part two, made a whole sense of how do we create a dashboard and make it go interactive. Thank you all. Happy learning.